This is a video on multiplying decimals by decimals. In the last video, we did multiplying decimals by whole numbers, and there's not really a lot different at all in this. But for some reason, people get more confused by the decimals times decimals. The first thing I want to do is round it. You don't have to do that. I just like to see what my answer is going to be close to. So that would round to about 4, and that's going to round to about 0. And 4 times 0 is about 0. So my answer should be a number pretty close to 0. And I like to put the number with the most digits on top. In this case, to me, 0.05 would have the most digits. Okay, 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 0 is 0, plus 3 is 3. 6 times 0 is 0. You don't have to put that there, but I like to. Okay, when you have two numbers, you have to annex a 0. And I like to put it down. A lot of people move it over, but I always like to put it down there. It helps me keep track of numbers. 3 times 5 is 15. I don't need that 3 anymore. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. 3 times 0 is 0. Okay, now I add 0. 3 plus 5 is 8. 0 plus 1 is 1, and then 0. Okay, I look at how many, just like in the last video, I look at how many spots are after the decimal. I have 1, 2, 3 total spots after the decimal. So I move my decimal 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 18 hundredths. You can also write it as 180 thousandths, but that's the exact same thing. And that answer is pretty close to 0. Down here, I'll set up the same kind of problem. This is going to round to about 0, and that's going to round to about 0. So my answer should be, again, close to the number 0. 0.04 times 0.32. 8, 0, 0. Can annex that 0. 12, 1, 0. You don't have to do the 0 times the number on top over here because it's just going to equal 0 all the way through. 8, 2, 1. Okay, this number is going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 spots after the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer here is 0.0128, which is very close to the number 0.